Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup and grilled cheese using an easy method. First, let's get started on the soup. You'll need one 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Dice 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium pot over medium heat, then add your onion and garlic to soften them up. Once your onion and garlic are fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, it's time to add the stars of the show. Pour in the 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of broth. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After 15 minutes, remove the soup from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Season with salt and pepper to your liking. Now, let's prepare the grilled cheese. For each sandwich, butter one side of 2 slices of your favorite bread. Place 1 slice of cheese, like cheddar or American, between the unbuttered sides of the bread. This ensures a perfectly golden crust. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Place your buttered sandwiches in the pan and cook for about 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown crust and perfectly melted cheese. Once both sides are golden and the cheese is gooey, your grilled cheese is ready. Serve these warm, comforting sandwiches immediately alongside your delicious, creamy tomato soup for a perfect meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.